Morning folks, my name is Russ over at Lee's Auto and RV Ranch. Today I got a 2026 23 DBH. I'm going to start off on the outside and go around and then go inside. Right now we got two 20-pound tanks with an automatic regulator from one tank to the other. So April camping, October camping, when it gets chilly, you want to leave both of them out because if one tank runs out, it'll automatically go to the other one. You got electric tongue jack, nice solid rock guard, so if a rock hits it, it won't dent your camper. You have automotive paint on here, it won't fade. You have rain gutters on all four corners. You got a one-piece rubber roof, which is warranted for life, as long as you own it, but you gotta maintain it. Nice thing about the 2026s, guys, is you got two solar panels on top of the roof. They're 100 watts per. You're gonna have a 15,000 BTU AC in here. 23 feet, it's gonna blow you out of here. You got a king size bed in here. So when I show you inside, we'll go over it. This right here for 2026, it's a bigger storage bin. And again, you have a magnet door. Lots of space now. You did a good change. You have automatic awning on here. You push a button, your awning goes out automatically. It has pull bars on either side, so if it does rain a little bit, you can grab onto either side, pull on the bar, and it'll tilt your awning for you. Outside kitchen, guys. Refrigerator, an ice maker to make your pina coladas, and an outside shower. When I show you an outside kitchen with the outside shower and everything, you have another outside shower on the other side, and I will show you that. You have outside speakers. They light up blue at night and they're also waterproof. You have a spot here for a TV. You got a cable hook up here and your outlets. The nice thing about this is there's a cable hook up in the back, so when you're hooked up at the campground and you want to put a TV here, you're not running a line underneath the camper. It's right here for you. You also have a quick disconnect right here for a grill. So if you want to put a little hibachi out here, it'll feed off your propane tanks. Over here is a black tank flush. And basically, when you dump your holding tank, you're gonna put a hose to that and it's gonna work like a sprinkler system inside your holding tank. It's all the residue off your sensors. So now when you press your monitor panel, you should have a correct reading. Over here is a doggy latch. Basically, nice bike or a grill, gas grill, you don't want it to disappear, it's got it there. You also have electric jacks on here. On all four corners. Just push a button, they go down. You can put your sewer hose in here in your bumper. Your cargo rack will hold up to 200 pounds. Your spare tire. Come on over here. This right here is your storage bin for your underneath your bunks. Lots of storage, guys. This is your dump station right here. This right here is your outside shower. It's got a little wand with hot and cold running water. Right here is your city water fill and your freshwater fill right here. And I'm gonna give you a little tidbit on that too, your freshwater fill. If you guys go to a campground that doesn't offer water, when you make that phone call, hey, can I fill my water up there? Yeah, sure you can. Now you're not towing with a bunch of water, so remember that. This right here is you get a 30-foot cord. There's no hole anymore where you shove in the hole. Mice like to live in that little hole. That little hole is gone now. So that cord is in the basement. Come on over here. Here's your cable hookup that I was telling you about when you're at the campground. This right here is a 6-gallon water heater. It's DSI, it's direct spark ignition. So all you do is hit a button and your water heater kicks on. Okay, we're gonna go inside now. One thing before we go inside, guys, is I want to show you this door. You see I call it a hide window because you don't see a window there unless you open this up. And again, it's a friction door. So if you wing it like that, it doesn't go against the wall, especially when you're high winds. And then there's your window right there, guys. With the screen door. All right, guys. Inside we have on the 23 DBH, we have a king size bed. storage underneath, pass-through storage on the outside like I showed you. Also with 2026, guys, is they've changed the shelving. You have a deeper shelf here, non-shelf here, but this slides out right over here. So you can put your valuables or whatever in there. It also has an inverter, sleep app, alarm clock, whatever. You can plug it in there and it'll feed off your battery for you. Got little night lights. These are pretty deep also. Pocket doors, these close right up. Over here and inside the living room area, you can put your TV right here. Cable hookup is all right up here. Your fireplace is going to give you about 3 different colors of ambiance, and it's also going to give you some heat also. Over here, your dinette table, deep drawers, deep drawers, and this is plywood. It's not OSB wood. This drops down, makes into a bed. Also, what you have is you have a thicker piece of wood underneath here. So when I go lean on this to open up the window, it's not going to crack on me. You also have zebra blinds, which is nice. You can privacy on them and everything. Over here in the kitchen area, you have a pull-out faucet, big barn sink with a drying rack, a cutting board. They've also changed this a little bit also. This used to be a cutting board, used to be here, used to be a splash guard slash cutting board. What they've done is they've changed it and gave you a bigger window. You have a 3-burner stove. This also gives you a little bit of ambiance. If you hit the knob, your knobs light up blue. This gives you an air fryer. Then you got storage in here, lots of storage. These drawers, they all open up. They're pretty deep. Remember I told you about the solar panels. You got 200-watt solar panels on here, 100 watt per. It's gonna give you an 11 cubic refrigerator. Nice big refrigerator. I mean, it's huge. In the bathroom, I call it my quick escape. You walk in here, you got a nice push pedal flush toilet, and then you got your shower. And what I like about this is you got a fantastic vent, not a little 12-volt fan. Also, you don't have a shower, glass shower enclosure, so when this curtain's down and you're taking a shower, you're not whacking your elbow on that glass shower enclosure. So I think that was pretty good too, what they did. And you got that sky dome, especially when somebody's tall. I don't have that problem, but it helps for people. Over here is your bunks. You also have some storage underneath your bunks. So if the kids have toys or anything, they can put this underneath here and grab them. Teddy bear mattresses, they're 3-inch cushions, real comfortable. It's got a little ladder here for them to climb up on. And then over here is like a little night light that lights up. And then they have their outlets, they have their air conditioning ducts, and then they also have their USB cords. Lots of storage, guys, lots of storage in a little camper like this. This is actually probably about 25 feet actual length. So come on down to Lee's Auto Ranch. My name is Russ. Come see me.